Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying support and configuring the project. First, query Camera Manager to read camera characteristics and confirm hardware level. This tells you which features are available. Next, make sure your app's build. Gradle targets SDK 21 or higher and that you've declared camera and storage permissions in Android Manifest. XML. Once done, request runtime permissions from the user so you can open the camera. This initial validation prevents wasted effort later and ensures your code can access the device's advanced. You'll now open the camera and build a working capture flow. First, call Open Camera with the chosen camera ID and handle on Open to get a camera device. This gives you the live interface to the sensor. Then create a capture request. Builder for the use case, preview or still capture, and add the rendering surface from your texture view or image reader. Once surfaces are ready, create a camera capture session and call set repeating request for continuous preview. Make sure callbacks handle errors and state changes so you can recover cleanly. You'll finish by tuning capture parameters and ensuring clean shutdown. Set autofocus and auto exposure modes on your capture request, adjust exposure compensation and white balance, and apply metering regions if needed. This improves image quality. For high-resolution photos, route output to an image reader and queue single captures. When done, call Camera Capture Session. Close and Camera Device. Close so resources free correctly. If things go wrong, check logs for camera errors and mismatch in supported sizes. That single troubleshooting tip usually points.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.